Hey guys, welcome back. This is Andrew from Andrew's Auto Freaks. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Kill It Spray to remove bugs or cockroaches from your car. So over here are just some simple and easy steps. Please feel free to pause the video to check it out. So the first step is obviously to turn on your car. Alright, so beforehand I actually removed everything from the car that I could, like the carpets and so on. Over here you turn on the air conditioning. So once that is done, turn on the air conditioning. The fan should be in full at least. Alright, and then once that is done, make sure to, over here you can see the yellow nozzle, so click it until you hear the sound and then leave it in the middle of your vehicle and make sure the doors are shut, windows are closed, and everything should be sorted. Alright, so once you close the vehicle, you leave it for at least 10 to 15 minutes or slightly after the spray has already run out. So once that is done, alright, so over here it's finished, so you can turn off the vehicle. But please remember, alright, to keep your car well ventilated before entering the vehicle. So at least I left it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Over here, like you can see, I left it open for about 10 to 15 minutes before re-entering the vehicle, just to make sure I don't breathe in any fumes. So time to check out the damage to see if there's any victims. All right, I can already see there's one here. Ooh, 1, 2. All right, okay, so it's worked. All right, there's number 3, number 4, and 5. Do we have a lucky number 6? Let's see. Oh, there we go, right here. All right, there's actually more in front as well. So time to clean up. If you have a handheld vacuum cleaner, that'll be very useful. So you can use that to clean up all the bugs that are already dead. But there's one right here trying to, not today, buddy. No. Okay, bye. All right, so once we're done cleaning up, it's basically just putting everything back together and you are good to go, and it is safe to re-enter the vehicle, and hopefully these cockroaches do not come back to life. No, don't come back. Alright, so we are done. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any comments, please feel free to leave your comment down below. Smash that like button, and don't forget, if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing to my channel to support me in the future. Take care guys, peace out, never look back, and always look forward. Bye bye.